How's that? Do we know if they've caught the assailant?
No, not for sure. It's in quite a ways, the actual house. They're bringing the victims out to that intersection from the actual scene. But no, they don't know if they've caught them. I don't know.
All right, then.
But you understood just where your ALS, I'd like to keep you there in case they find one. But if you do need to stay with that patient, let me know, and I'll just hold 60 either way.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
Dominic 86.
86, go.
We're just switching over to the hospital for a bit.
Copy, thank you. Much shorter intervals there in case you needed communications.
Anyways, we have a patient on board. We're just coming up to, we're 60 stage, just to do a quick assessment. Looks like it's just shot from the incident. She has no injuries. Doesn't look like it'll be a transport. But
Okay, thanks, Jeff. I'll show you. Mark you on scene for time being, and we'll let you clear from there.
Comms 86.
86.
Is there also a structure fire out this way?
Nothing I got reported.
We're seeing huge flames of smoke from where we are.
Is it off in a distance, say 10 or 11 o'clock from your location? That'd be where you'll be going for a civic.
Yeah, copy. That's exactly where it is.
Yeah, that might be why they're getting us to hold off. $102.
go ahead.
Need you back towards Truro, please.
Copy. On our way.
Thank you. Medic 90, call.
Good.
Might get you guys on the 104 up towards exit 10, or even off the Glen Home, I guess. Great Village area and stage. See what's needed if there's anything else needed on the scene here.
Sounds good. 94 and 10 minutes.
Thank you. 86, come.
Go ahead.
All right, come up to Highway 2 and Portapac Beach Road. So keep coming up. You're going to meet a police officer there. They do have a GSW victim with them. We'll try to get some more information if you need any more resources there. Continue on, meet them at the intersection of the 2 and Portapac.
10-4.
Medic 90.
Good.
I'm going to add you as a resource to this call, guys. Maybe 86 can get us some more details, but they're saying they do have another victim possibly on the scene.
Good. Communications medic 60.
60, go.
All patient on scene, or clear.
Copy that. Show you there for Truro coverage for now, please.
Truro coverage, 10-4.
86, go.
Can you bring another unit for another patient?
All right, 90's already had it, guys. You want them up code 1?
Fine.
Copy.
You might move, if there's any other unit, because there might be some more on scene.
All right, copy that. Medic 60.
60.
Gonna add you as a resource. You're heading, say, Highway 2 towards Parisboro. It's Portapac.
Go ahead.
Go 2 at this time.
Go to 10-4.
Comms 86.
86, go.
The conflict available, 100% moving. I think if you're going to overwhelm resources at full distance.
All right, copy that. We'll get them started that way. When you get a chance, one of you somehow contact us there by phone or radio, let me know.
Copy, I'm going to do that now, but we'll definitely let you know.
Roger. I think 100, call.
100.
Just a status check there, guys.
We're with station now.
Thank you.
Call me 86.
86, go.
We have one patient code 2 to Colchester, but RCMP are requesting more ambulances. Probably one more coming, and then at least one more standby.
Copy that. Thank you.
Comms Medic 90.
90, go.
Are we staging beforehand, or were they wanting us to go back down to where they were as well?
No, we'll keep you out on the number 2 there, guys, even at the end of the road or Highway 2 and East Montrose Road, just to stay back from the scene there.
Perfect. East Montrose, good.
If I hear from them again or get direction, they'll call us. I'll let you know.
Perfect, thank you.
86.
Go ahead.
You guys still considering life flight or looking for life flight for this call?
There possibly could be other victims down by the sea, but police are slowly bringing people out. Can I see contact you?
Go ahead.
So there's a structure fire. There's a person down there with a gun. They're still looking for him. The patient we have got shot by him. He was just down there observing the fire, checking out the fire. So there could be other patients around the fire that could be gone already, but we're not on shore. Police are staging at the end of the road there on the 2, not letting anyone down any further. But it's very vague what's going on down there, but there is for sure multiple patients down there. Want us to stage a couple after just in case.
All right, no, appreciate that. Thank you.
Calm on away.
2 to Colchester. 2 to Colchester, my way, copy. Medic 86.
Go ahead.
Just drop to TAC 2 there again, too. We may just run to TAC 2. I'm going to keep you there for the incident, and we may end up linking with the doc there just to confirm on that. But just go to TAC 2 so I can reach you there.
Comms Medic 90.
90, go.
Just based on the description on that last couple notes, I'm just going to stage at Clark Road.
Yes, absolutely. I'll get police to call to let them know we're there and stay out of the way, I guess.
Perfect, thank you.
And I'll pull 60 in there if there's room. I'll get them to pull in with you guys to stay the same street.
Great, thanks.
Medic 60. 60, you copy that as well. Look for Medic 90 at Clark Road. The 2 of you just hold up that location, please.
Affirmative, Clark Road.
Thanks.
Go ahead.
When you're clear there, can you head right into Colchester, emerge, take one back to Queen Street and Churl? It's been waiting there just in case we needed it.
Go ahead.
And have you guys proceed up to the Portapeck Beach Road, Highway 2, meet up with RCMP. Can you assess the patient there? 60 is behind you, PCP. If they can take the patient, they say there's more patients in there. I'm going to get you to assess if you need to take it due to pain control. take it, but if not, call 60 up so they can take that out, please. Thank you.
Ready?
Go ahead, Jeff.
Do we know if these cut the ceiling?
No, not for sure. It's in quite a ways, the actual house. They're bringing the victims out to that intersection from the actual scene, but no, they don't know if they've caught them. I don't know.
All right, gentlemen.
But you understood just where you're in ALS, I'd like to keep you there in case they find one. But if you do need to stay with that patient, let me know, and I'll just hold 60 either way.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you.
102 off, Scotia.
102, copy.
I'm at 86.
86, go.
We're just switching over to the hospital for a bit.
Copy, thank you. Return to Truro, please.
Block 6 for Lifeline. Block 6 and up one. Hey, just letting you know, we're on route to stage with you guys. I'm probably 5 minutes out from Truro so far.
Copy that, guys. You guys you say you're heading towards the senior?
Yeah, we're in CC1.
Copy that, thanks, sir.
Go ahead.
Because I'm going to get you guys to North 3. I've got 90 and 60 down there and watch. We're actually going to stage at the Great Village Fire Hall. It's going to be on the number 2 just as you're in Great Village. So probably the best spot for us to park the vehicles there right now. They've moved the roadblock back from the scene to be safe there.
All right, that's good. Switch over.
Copy, thanks.
Good.
You guys take exit 11 ahead for the Great Village Fire Department, please.
Just pulling up on the.
Yeah, just holding your vehicle there, guys. Switch to North 3, but holding your vehicle. I'll get there and see you come out to take their session and patient inside, but just holding your vehicle.
Sounds good.
Thank you. 88. Guys, can you mobile towards, say, Glen Holm there for now, and maybe getting you to Great Village once you get down the area? Thanks. 120.
I see at 564.
564 high speed, head time now is 5:59. Passenger shift, I need for Truro coverage, please.
Copy, sir.
Thank you. Oxford 102.
Okay.
When you guys are in and logged in there, get you down towards Truro, probably going to be heading for Great Village Fire there, take over coverage.
Stop, Mac, done.
90 go.
I'm logging on advanced care into 491.
Copy that, Mike. See you guys advanced care for the day. Yeah, time now 6:01. I'm just going to bring you down as far as Oxford there for now, in case I need you in the Truro area, please.
Yeah, cover.
Thank you. 102.
102.
Just confirm your level of care there, guys, please.
Primary care, 542.
Thank you. 616. You guys will be heading for the Great Village Fire parking lot there to meet up with Watch.
Copy that, right.
Once you get down there closer, guys, we'll get you over to North 3. North 3 for that instance, please.
Copy, North 3.
102, call.
102.
Stevie, what truck, the ambulance number you guys in?
Sorry, repeat.
What ambulance are you in? What was your unit number?
542.
Roger, thank you. Watch 8, Marley.
Log into 37 ICP in a row.
Thank you. Get to log in, Cat 619, Tricia.
Thank you, and I'm going to head up to Port Vic.
All right, I'll sign you to the call there in a sec. And I've got 102 coming down. I've got them switching over to North 3 when they get in the area as well.
Copy.
All right. I'm going to ask get you to head towards Great Village Fire, please, as a second unit.
Copy that. You can show us on our way.
Thank you. Just when you get closer, switch over to North 3 for that incident, please.
Yep, copy. 102.
102.
We're just coming in Great Village. We'll switch over North 3.
All right, thank you. 88's going to depart. You'll probably meet there in a second. Pull right into the parking lot.
Tom, 108. 108.
Go ahead, 108.
We're clear and available in Colchester.
Local coverage, please.
Medic 98, 98 incoming call, Highway 4, Wentworth, please. Medic 98, you copy? Radio check North 1.
Loud and clear.
Medic 98, copy, call.
Tom, Medic 90.
90, go ahead.
We close enough to go through Fountain Road there.
Medic 98, copy, call.
Tom, 98.
98, 14143 Highway 4 in Wentworth, going there, code 2 for an obvious. Just go to text, please.
98.
10-4 guys, confirming your staging at Highway 104 and number 4, please.
Yeah, we're going to stage exit 104 Highway 4.
10-4. 98.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep mobile, just around. I really don't feel comfortable just sitting.
10-4. Be sure you stay mobile back towards.
Oh, that's right. We're just hanging off to the right of the highway, so we're just gonna keep mobile.
10-4.
Right.
I've been advised to get you guys to stage at the base there in Oxford, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Helicopter, copy command post.
Go ahead from Patrol 4.
Can you confirm, do you have law enforcement talk group in your radio? Law enforcement?
I'm on mutual aid 6 here now. Let me check on the channel you call law enforcement.
Yeah, law enforcement 5 or 6.
Okay, stand by, I'll check. We're just over Plains Road, divert area now.
Perfect.
Alley dispatch, divert firefighters, 2 vehicle MBA, possible entrapment. 1760 Plains Road, divert. SJ, 2 vehicle MBA, possible entrapment. 1760 Plains Road, divert. On that 1013. Alley dispatch, divert firefighters. 2 vehicle MBA, possible entrapment, 1760 Plains Road to Burton. That's 2 vehicle MBA, possible entrapment, 1760 Plains Road to Burton. And as 1013.
13 EMP command is Control 4 on Regional 860, copy.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I found that channel I was trying to reach on it. Tried both 5 and 6. You weren't hearing me?
No, switch to 5 now. I'll switch right over. Switch to 5 now.
Suburb Fire, copy dispatch. Can I give an officer to give me a call, please, on the phone?
That is 108. I'll get your mobile for an incoming call. Plains Road in Divert. Looks like code 2 for traffic plan. Please on scene.
I'm just going off the notes there. I was water unknown, so I guess maybe we should look at putting on standby. I didn't see a new note coming out of both my flight.
Yep, we've been monitoring this there.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks. Go ahead, 108.
Is this an NBC or is this related to the stage call out there?
We are uncertain. It might be related to the stage call. Control 4, go ahead.
RCMP wishes to clear the scene. Copy that. I'll send out a stand-down page. You copy that?
Go ahead.
Roger that, 505.
Sorry to bug you again. We did confirm with police that it is safe for us to go in.
Yes, police are on scene with the patient, and you got your last note there? Thank you.
Valley Dispatch to Bird Fire, stand down and cancel for the call on Plains Road and Bird.
Stand by.
And cancel. For the call on Plains Road and Bird, fire is not required. Again, fire is not required on scene. Time to cancel is 10:21.
Thank you. Should be clear.
Yeah, Jimmy also asked, they're working on what they're calling Law 6 radio channel. I had an aircraft, but I wasn't able to raise them on it. Are you able to make the link to Mutual 86? Is that something that's going on?
And so actually, you were coming loud and clear. It actually is a rekeying issue. So that is, for now, just going to stay on Mutual 86, please.
Okay, understood. Thank you. Call 4.
Thank you. Should be clear.
Valley, verify 01. Go ahead. Oh, stand by till I get a TMR. Copy that.
Super radio, Control 4.
Control 4, go ahead.
Check Control 4 is landing divert. We call airborne.
Copy. Thank you. Should be clear. 122, going to get you to stage at the base. Just dropped a call on you. Have a look. Thank you.
Dispatch from engine 9 Alpha. 9 Alpha, go ahead. Please show engine 9 Alpha standing up. 10 for 9 Alpha, thank you.
Control 4, do you copy Super Radio? Your unit's inside, is it?
How far are we at?
Okay, you got a chance to look at your tablet there?
We copy, we'll be here.
Thank you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
11507, advanced care as an EPSO unit for our event.
Copy that.
there a dedicated channel we should be on?
Get you to switch over to North 3, please.
Copy, switching.
How much, 8?
Show 4.
Patrol 4 is off. We're heading down towards the Bookville area. 2 on board. 2 hours, 45 minutes fuel. We'll talk to you in 30.
Copy, thank you. Should radio clear.
Patrol 4, thanks.
142, read your tablet there, and
A vehicle just drove by with their signs on. No one's outside.
no one outside?
Correct.
10-4.
Vehicle out there.
Copy that. Have a look at your tablet. See if the car number is the same.
4, it matches.
Okay, copy that. He's the member there. He's been shot in the foot.
Is he able to come into us?
122. Go ahead, 122.
Member is currently with us in the base.
10-4, thank you.
Valley dispatch copy should be 101.
Alley here, go ahead, 101.
Station 100 is manned. And stand by.
Okay, cover that.
Sorry, repeat your last.
Perfect, thank you. Welcome, Medic 102. So much, guys. Thanks.
Hold on. Thank you.
You're welcome, Medic 96.
Good.
So much.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Medic 90.
Go ahead.
How much?
Over.
Thank you.
And it's Patrol 4 on Visual 860, copy.
Copy, go ahead.
We're just overhead of vehicle fire at the exit on Highway 2. It's active. It looks like might be a police car involved. There's some other police vehicles there. We just wanted to bring it to your attention.
Okay, copy. Our last known sighting is close to Halifax, off the 102 near Milford. Can you carry on that way?
Yeah, Roger. We'll let her know. See radio. Patrol 4. I think we're just landing in a farmer's field here, just a little bit west of Milford, just for a minute. We'll give you a call there more.
Copy, thank you. Should radio clear. Medic 110, 110. I'll get you mobile for an incoming call. Highway 224 in Shubenacadie East, code 1. 110, you're going to be heading code 1, heading to Highway 224 in Shubenacadie East. Could you have a look at your tablet there for details?
Super radio. Patrol 4.
Patrol 4, go ahead.
Checker Airborne again, Milford area, 2 on board, southbound towards Elmsdale. We have 2 hours to land fuel. We'll talk to you in 30.
Copy, thank you. Should ready clear.
Thanks. Patrol 4.
I'm currently treating a member in the back of an ambulance. So I can go after the hospital. Thank you.
12.
Go ahead, 112.
As of right now, they permanently locked us in the hospital. Can you get your supervisor to call the security at the hospital 11-2.
10-4, stand by, guys.
Copy.
RCMP command for 1240, copy.
Go ahead, 122. Can you be on tap for a second? Sure thing. You're just about to transport the officer, but his vehicle is currently here unlocked, and he has left a gun in the woods. I'm curious if you can get a hold of anyone to come manage that. 122, stand by, please. Go ahead, 122. Your code 1 to Colchester, patient on board. Copy code 1 to Colchester, patient on board.
Chopper from RCMP command post. DNR chopper from RCMP command post. DNR chopper, DNR helicopter from RCMP command post. 2 copy.
Yeah, go ahead for 4.
Roger, we have reports of the suspect down at the Enfield Big Stop off of exit 11 on the 102. Direction, please.
We're on the ground at the weigh scales at that exit, just dropping a member off. We got the location. I'm gonna head back to Shuby.
Copy, thank you very much.
Copy, thank you. Should be good, sir.
Rod.
This is Stringer.
Got it, thank you. Dispatch to Treasure.
Go ahead.
I'm just doing a radio check. I'm getting an office communication. How am I coming through?
You're loud and clear.
10-4, thank you.
Dispatch, copy. Fire.
Yeah, acknowledge that, Pete, and good all.
Tom's on call.
Go ahead.
We are clear and available, and away from Colchester.
Copy that. Head for base.
Marcus here then.
Will do.
Valley dispatch, copy for engine 621, dispatch.
Valley, here, go ahead.
To engine 621, respond.
Copy that, thanks. Valley dispatch here, go ahead, unit call.
Herbert unit 622, responding.
Copy that, 622 responding.
Chester. Copy arrival, guys.
Should be 101, copy Valley dispatch. Go ahead, Valley. Yes, received a call from RCMP. They're looking for your assistance. Intersection of Highway 224 and the 102 there. They're saying that the fire there is spreading due to the wind and they can't contain it. They said it's safe for you to go in. Copy that. Show 111 responding momentarily. Copy, 1150. Should be 101 from Valley Dispatch.
621, North A.
Ship 621 on scene.
Copy that, thanks. Or you can show HW 111 and 121 responding to the call release.
Copy that. 1153.
Divorce Milford.
Go ahead, 224.
We're at Milford.
10-4, thank you. 58, I have an incoming call there. I'm going to give you the stage for it. So looks like Highway 224 in Shubenacadie. It's a second call. If you want, you can stage at the base there.
Yeah, I guess.
Sure thing. Thank you.
Call 110.
Go ahead, 110.
They're going to have to turn around and come back through Highway 9. They will not be able to get to 224 from exit 10.
110. 2058.
58.
58, been advised that you guys are to turn around.
Never. You want to get me pressure on this again? I'm just going to put these, yeah, copy that.
I'm going to reassign a call to you. You get a stage there at the base, Highway 224.
Copy. You are at 70 PSI, 70 PSI. Copy, thanks. 110's on route to Truro.
Thank you.
58.
Okay, guys, you guys are good to head there. Please are on scene, 81 Highway 224 in Shubenacadie. It looks like code 1.
Similar.
Like 120, copy com. And lunch.
Copy.